In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add screen recording shortcut to your iPhone control center so that you can easily in any time record a screen by tapping at this shortcut. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up settings. And then scroll down a bit until we find Control Center. That's where we need to add screen recording shortcut to included controls. In my case, it is already added, but now I'm going to remove it first to show you how to add it here. Basically, guys, all we have to do is just scroll down until we find screen recording in that list. I got some glitch here. So I'm going to re-enter the control center. And now all we have to do in order to add screen recording shortcut is just tap at the plus button next to it. As you can see, now it is added to included controls. Here it is. Right from here, from the control center settings, we can also change the order of our shortcuts. We can drag them up and down in that way, and that will also change the order of these shortcuts here. Now, guys, all we have to do in order to start screen recording is just swipe down from the top right corner and then tap right here at screen recording shortcut. It will give us a 3-second countdown, and after that it will start recording our screen. We can do some actions here. We can open up any apps. All our actions will be recorded. And then if we want to stop recording, we can tap right here and then we can hit at the stop button, or we can head over back to the control center and tap at the same shortcut. Recording saved to photos. So that's how we can easily find our screen recording here. And I'm gonna show you one more thing, guys. So if you want to make screen recording and you want to comment it on with your voice, you need to long press at this shortcut first, because microphone by default always turned off. And then if you want to turn it on, first off you need to activate it and then hit right here at start recording, and after 3 seconds countdown it will start recording the screen, and you can comment it on and it will record the screen and your voiceover. To stop recording, just hit right there. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.